What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on MMTLP and FINRA saga.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed, born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up.
And for today's video I have an amazing news this news is really important because this new case potentially will not be affected by the total immunity of FINRA and SEC. And potentially it will be the path how we can solve our problem. On top of that, I will show you the recap of recent lawsuits, and at the end of this video, I will show you another potential person who might help us to win this battle. So, and before we dive deep into all of this, please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, share this video with your friends and family. And I have to say that the only thing I kindly ask you is to hit the like button, because this will push this video forward to the broader audience, and eventually it will help us to win this battle. So just hit the like button. And let's start with the news itself. Mark Basile wrote this tweet just several hours ago, and he said, MMTLP, today our client Streamroller LLC and MMTLP activist shareholder group has commenced proceedings against OTC markets in the New York courts. This is the first of a series of several court actions and lawsuits contemplated by this group of frustrated MMTLP and MMAT holders. Please do not ask me any questions or DM me. Due to the obvious callous nature of some cyberbullies in your online community, all information can be taken from the court's docket. See Junk Savvy. And guys, I have to say that Mark clearly stated that it will be more lawsuits, and definitely these lawsuits will be filed in the foreseeable future. And this is not the best statement, because he is still under attack by some of our community members, and the main attacker is definitely due diligence. I don't want to dive deep inside this drama, but I've made a video regarding this issue. Let me show you further. Junk Savvy wrote this tweet 11 hours ago. Breaking news: Joseph F. Rose Esquire on the Basile law firm files a petition in New York State Supreme Court on behalf of MMTLP investor group Streamroller LLC. Petition against OTC markets, 6 names or market makers and broker-dealer who listed MMTLP for trading in October 2021. And this is a very clever step, because let me show you this tweet that was written by C. Plant. He wrote, "Now we are talking, someone's going after the ones without immunity." And definitely this petition against OTC markets, that 6 names of market makers who were involved in the process of illegal starting of trading of MMTLP shares, definitely will be a very important for the community, because it is basically a first step towards the resolution of our problem, because the first wrongdoers in our case will open new paths and will uncover new names in the list of wrongdoers in general, and eventually it will help us to win this battle. On top of that, let me show you another tweet that was written by Junk Savvy. She refers to the tweet that was written by Susan Trimbath, and Susan wrote, "Somehow Congress, regulators and industry specialists believe it's okay to sell more stocks and bonds than are issued. Prices are set where supply equals demand. If dealers can sell an infinite supply, then prices is, technically speaking, ballooning. Result cannot be called a market." And Junk Savvy wrote, US Congressman Tom Emmer said on the House floor today that SEC Chairman Gary Gensler is an ineffective as he is incompetent. That is definitely not ballooning. Gensler enables the market cartel as they pollute the US capital markets with counterfeit shares, destroying price discovery, market integrity, our economy and national security. And this is another very important news, because another congressman stated that Gary Gensler is incompetent. and this leads to potentially resignation of Gary Gensler in foreseeable future. On top of that, let me show you this article, and it is dedicated to the same news. And at the bottom of this article you can find another tweet that was written by Mark Basile, and he wrote, "For your information, I will also be representing J.R. Ewing before the United States District Court for the Central District of Pennsylvania in an appeal of a denial of his FOIA request and FOIA appeal. No charge." And this is another important step because Mark just disclosed another lawsuit in which he challenges the illegal denial of FOIA request of another our headliner, J.R. Ewing. And definitely it is another potential path how we can solve this problem. But on top of that, let me remind you that just recently, just 1 month ago, Mark Basile and the Basile law firm have filed their MMTLP appeal case in the New York Supreme Court. And this is the case of David Khorasani versus FINRA. And it requests for discovery and blue sheet data. And let me show you that this appeal consists 602 pages, and the appellant's brief is 60 pages. And this is a very thorough and important document. And let me remind you that Mark stated that we will have some information regarding this appeal at the very beginning of 2024. And yes, I think we are at the edge of something big, because we have so many actions that took place just recently, and we have a lot of allies from Congress and from other committees, and definitely it will help us, and it is helping right now in our case. So let me remind you that we have, on top of these lawsuits, we have an arbitration process from Richard Hoffman, and we still have a litigation from Rosa Towell against FINRA. And I don't have any updates regarding these two cases, but when I have it, definitely I will share it with you. That is why just subscribe to my channel in order not to miss these updates. And guys, let me show you quite interesting update that I found on my comment section. Manafloor 1229 wrote this 13 hours ago. FINRA is really incompetent. Most criminals are pretty dumb. I can't wait for justice to fall on them. Don't forget about Jessica Hopper, who retired just after MMTLP. She is the key to breaking this wide open. And I have to say that this name, I'm not familiar with this woman, and I don't know who is she and what post did she occupy. And let me show you that simple Googling shows me that she was the vice president and head of enforcement department in FINRA. And let me show you this. Right here on January 24th, literally 2 months after the illegal U3 halt, FINRA announces departure of enforcement head Jessica Hopper. And let me show you this. Hopper has been executive vice president and head of enforcement since January 2020, after being named acting head of enforcement in September 2019. She has risen through the ranks, having joined FINRA in 2004 as enforcement attorney. And I have to say that she was working for FINRA for quite a long period of time, almost 20 years. And this means if she resigned right after the MMTLP problem, probably she might help us in our litigation, and potentially she has to be asked in some our litigation processes in order to make more clarification in our case, because potentially she is not under the not disclosure agreement anymore, and potentially we might have a huge piece of information from her experience, from her post, and this will also help us to win our battle. So I think these news are really amazing for our community. And if you like my video, please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, share this video with your friends and family, and drop me a line in the comment section for whatever reasons you want. And see you guys and girls next time. Bye!
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this